Hi, I'm Mary Ellen Carroll. I'm the Executive Director for the Department of Emergency Management. We have had a very exciting and very busy year. We've balanced our normal operations running the 911 center and preparing the city for the everyday and not so everyday emergencies with new responsibilities, revamping the city's multidisciplinary street teams, and taking a lead role in planning for big events like the Super Bowl and the World Cup. We've accomplished a lot through efficient use of our $140 million budget this year. You're about to hear from the teams who made that all possible through their hard work.
Hi, I'm Rob Smuts, Deputy Director for the Division of Emergency Communications at DEM. 2025 was about rebuilding capacity and improving service. Hiring finally started to move the needle on staffing. We graduated our first full class at the end of 2024 since COVID, and in 2025 we graduated 3 full classes of 15 dispatchers each. That pipeline let us ease the burden on seasoned staff and improve service to the public. You can feel the difference on the floor. In 2024, we had to issue mandatory overtime every single week. In 2025, we cut mandatory overtime by 2/3, and we go for weeks at a time without issuing any. We also advanced updates that our dispatchers rely on. We launched the 911 phone replacement project and continue to make progress on our CAD replacement project with our public safety partners.
Hello, Mike Doherty here, the CAD Program Manager, coming to you from the CAD Lab, which is the home for our CAD replacement project. We have our legacy system represented over here, but it's still running upstairs. And then we have the proof of concept for our new CAD web client running over here so that we can bring stakeholders in, have them kick the tires, test it, and give feedback not only to our program team here, but also to our vendor Motorola.
Hi, I'm Doris, the Deputy Director for the Division of Emergency Services. This year, we modernized many of our plans. We updated our emergency management plan, and we also updated our public health and medical services plan. We delivered a new family assistance center plan, and we updated our tsunami playbook to reflect lessons learned from recent activations. In addition, we updated our senior leadership playbook, and we created the Mayor's Emergency Response Plan to guide our elected officials and their staff during the first 24 hours after a major disaster. DEM's emergency services team also activated the city's Emergency Operations Center for 24 activation days. We did this for no-notice events such as tsunami and flooding advisories, as well as large planned events and First Amendment activities. We also trained and exercised for what's ahead. Super Bowl and World Cup tabletop exercises, Fleet Week communication interoperability exercises and communications testing, as well as various core city and regional Super Bowl and large special events tabletops queued into 2026.
Coordinated Street Response Division of DEM makes sure all city agencies and programs that respond to negative street conditions are working effectively together. Our collective goal is to expedite exits from the street into the right level of care and to ensure safe and healthy street conditions for all. The most complex part of this division is the neighborhood street teams. 5 distinct teams of outreach workers, clinicians, paramedics, law enforcement, and cleaning staff all work together toward the shared mission of safe and clean streets. This coordinated approach brings faster help to those who need it, and it provides consistent follow-through for those with the highest acuity needs. This year, our street teams placed almost 2,000 people into shelter, and the new integrated model also helped reduce the average closure time for 311 reports related to homeless concerns by over 40%. Another important part of our team's work this year was the consolidation and oversight of the city's community safety ambassadors. These ambassadors help our communities remain safe and clean, practicing de-escalation when necessary, and deterring negative street behaviors like open drug use. Our team is also responsible for implementing the new large vehicle program, which balances moving people who were living in RVs into stable housing, while also enforcing new parking regulations for large vehicles and returning public spaces to the community. The Coordinated Street Response Division is an essential part of DEM's mission to manage complex, multi-agency issues. And we work every day to transform crisis into manageable and meaningful progress.
I'm Andrew Holcomb, the EMS Director at the San Francisco EMS Agency, a division of the Department of Emergency Management. While the scope is large, the focus is clear: to provide the best possible patient care to San Franciscans and visitors alike. This year, for the first time in 2025, the San Francisco EMS Agency is one of 34 EMS agencies in the state of California to have all 6 specialty care programs approved by the state. The EMS Agency is laser focused to providing the best possible streamlined services for EMS personnel. This year, we launched a brand new IT platform to better provide services from the EMS Agency to support frontline field personnel. We had the opportunity to help coordinate emergency medical services for large events, including multiple festivals over the summer and the NBA All-Star event in February. We're looking forward to supporting Super Bowl 60 and FIFA in 2026. Whether it's an ambulance inspection, promoting and supporting a bystander who provided hands-only CPR, or responding to a real-life event, sometimes all at the same time and sometimes all on the same day. The EMS Agency is mission-focused and ready to support the city.
The Bay Area UASI Management Team oversees 3 regional grant programs. The Urban Area Security Initiative grant assists the region by building capabilities to prevent and respond to acts of terrorism. We procured critical equipment such as individualized emergency preparedness kits, chemical mass spectrometer detectors, gas monitors, bomb suits, and mobile barrier trailer kits. We hosted a public safety preparedness summit for 424 attendees and funded intelligence staff at the Northern California Regional Intelligence Center. The Securing the Cities grant program enhances radiological and nuclear detection capabilities across 15 counties by providing training, equipment, and exercise.
From 911 dispatch to coordinated street response and everything in between, DEM's External Affairs Division serves as the link between our department and the public. This year, we launched our Ready SF Emergency Preparedness campaign, providing the tools to prepare and stay ready for anything. We responded to over 230 inquiries from local, regional, and national media outlets and fielded 116 public records requests. We generated over 5.4 million impressions across 7 actively maintained social media platforms, growing our following by thousands. We rolled out a robust community preparedness campaign, attending over 60 events throughout all neighborhoods in San Francisco in partnership with our Division of Emergency Services. We sent alert SF messages during significant storms, fires, and December's prolonged power outage. We also coordinated the city's Joint Information Center during all citywide emergencies to ensure that all agencies spoke with one voice.
Thank you for taking a moment to learn more about our department. I want to take a moment of gratitude and thank every single member of the Department of Emergency Management. They are some of the most dedicated public servants that you will ever meet, and they are indispensable to the safety, preparedness, and resilience of San Francisco every day.